Alrighty, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and we are currently on our way to Winton Raceway for Winton Matsuri. You! Keen as 2-day drift event on a track I haven't drove before. Looks fucking sick. Be the first event with the new gearbox, clutch, wheels, BC coilovers, heaps of goodies. And we're on a decent tyre as well. And yeah, the car's just going to be rocking and rolling. Cars are loaded up. Ben's got his BMX, even more tyres, bulk tyres. It's been raining and shit, so the car's looking a bit filthy, but yeah, G'd up, absolutely G'd up. Bring an ASMR of you fucking eating. Alright. Super keen. Tomorrow is going to be an absolute scorcher. We're heading for like 40, 41 degrees, possible thunderstorm. And then Sunday's like, I hope there's not too much wind noise, it's a little bit blowy. Sunday's not quite as hot, but it's probably going to piss rain. I don't know, see what happens, hope for the best, cross our fingers. But yeah, I'll keep us updated. Say hi to the vlog. Hello vlog. Hello vlog.
Bum 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 bum, Jay's got drifts.
We made it to Benalla, saw a car wash and had to pull in because the car is disgusting. Filthy, absolutely filthy. Get some cinematics.
Is it filming?
Yeah, it is. All right.
Oi Jacko, what do you reckon about Benalla, mate?
Favourite fucking sold out a double espresso. Alright, it's the next morning and we've just rocked up to the track. Winton. You! Just waiting for the gates to open, which should be any minute now. Yeah, dog. You G'd up or what?
Yeah, I'm pretty fucking game.
You a bit hungover, mate?
Yeah. Pretty raw.
The other boys are getting us some snags and ice. Well, ice for the snacks. It's a ritual here in the J Scott's factory, J Scott Drift's factory, that Maxi cleans the windscreen before every event.
You know it.
It's just a good luck thing. It's just a good windscreen cleaner. It's just the man for the job, really. Filthy Maxi, what's the verdict?
Filthy.
Fuck, it didn't stick there. Alright, driving briefing's done. They wouldn't let me jump in A, because I wish I entered in A, but I tried to switch now out of B into A so I can go fast. But yeah, they won't let me, so maybe later, they said, if I'm getting held up too much. But they also said we can't drift 2 corners where you do the big entry. I don't really know because I haven't drifted Winton before, but it sounds like a bit of a bummer, but oh well, see how we go. So yeah, A's going out now, and then in 20 minutes after that, I'll be going out, and I've got to put long sleeves and pants on, which I'm not looking forward to because it's like heading for 40 degrees today. Alright, so we've had our first session at Winton. Car was getting way too hot. We hit like 110 at one point there. So I'm just got the car here, I cooled it down, and I got a bottle in the radiator, and I'm just bleeding it, trying to get rid of any bubbles in it. And yeah, the car was way too grippy. The rear tyres need a bit of a pumping up before the next session, so I'll do that because it was struggling to grab third, and second gear was just hitting limiter. So it was way too gripped up, but you get that when you go decent coilovers and decent tyres. You get a bit of grip. But yeah, hopefully air the tyres up, give it a really good bleed, and then hopefully the next session, we've already missed one, hopefully go out for the next one and be a bit more successful, get the hang of the track as well. I'm just crossing my fingers that it just doesn't keep getting hot, because I can only do literally like one section per lap. I can't do this section, then cool down. I can only do like a couple little corners and then I have to do a full lap to cool it down. So hopefully this helps. See how we go. So yeah, I don't know how well you can hear me, but this is the setup. And yeah, it did have a fair few bubbles in it, so cross my fingers, should have the problem sorted. If not, I'll take the front bar off, and that's going to get a lot of more cool air into the air filter and into the motor, and that'll definitely help things with no front bar. So if I have to, front bar will come off today, put it back on tomorrow because it won't be as hot tomorrow. But yeah, I think I'm going to try it with the front bar on after a good bleed. Yeah, see how we go. So it's a sad time, but I've had to take the front bar off as well. Just anything to try to keep this thing nice and cool. It's a real shame, but you got to do what you got to do to get that seat time. And then tomorrow when it's a lot cooler, she'll be going back on. Let's hope this works. Alright, we're out to, well, it's the third session, but our second session. Hopefully the car stays cool. for today. Got some driving in, had a few dramas. Oil cooler has a little crack in it. Heat must have made it get bigger and we started leaking a bit of oil. Got it welded up. Still leaked, so had to delete the oil cooler. And then obviously the car just getting so hot. With it being 40 degrees today, it's been a struggle to get much drifting in, but it was still sick. Got to do some drifting, got to get a little taste of some tandems. Hopefully be on some doors tomorrow with the temperatures going to be a lot cooler, so I should be able to just do skids on skids on skids on blokes. Keen for a bloody beer though?
Absolutely.
Mate, speaking my language. You are speaking my language.
You got storms in there, mate?
Oh, I do too.
For the crispy?
Must be time for a beer. Oh, oh. Oh, that was rowdy. Oh,
Not the coldest?
how to swallow so much air with that. Oh yeah.
Windex and good at cleaning radiators. Cool enough to say.
This is your Windex bloke. Don't take him away from the Windex.
Hey, you want Windex, I'm your man.
Master of one and Jack of one. Yeah, she is getting rowdy. About to piss down. Hopefully the rain all comes down tonight and then we're good for some not wet skids tomorrow. Okay, dry.
It's time you check in on yourself. Fuck.